No pressure, white LED is on. Small pressure, green LED is on. More pressure or force, red LED is on. No pressure, white LED. Medium pressure, green LED. High pressure, red LED. In today's project, I am using force or a pressure sensor with Arduino, and this project utilizes a force or pressure sensor to detect varying levels of pressure and indicates the pressure status using different color coded LEDs, and this project provides real-time feedback on the pressure applied, and which makes it suitable for applications that require monitoring and displaying pressure levels. As per circuit diagram, this is for force or pressure sensor. It has got two terminals, a red wire and orange wire I have connected. The first terminal of the force sensor I have directly connected to 5 volts pin on the Arduino Uno board, and the see here, the first pin is connected to 5 volts pin, and the second pin is connected to one end of resistor, orange wire, it is connected to 10 kilo ohm resistor. Other end of 10 kilo ohm resistor, it is connected to ground. This is ground, and the junction between resistor and the sensor, it is connected to analog A0 pin of Arduino Uno board, and these are all cathodes of white, green and red LED. It is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno board, and the LED, white LED anode is connected to pin number 8, green LED anode is connected to pin number 9, and red LED anode is connected to pin number 10. So this is about connection diagram. Now I have not applied any force. The white LED is glowing. Now I applied small pressure. See, green LED is on. So I'll apply more pressure. Red LED is on. So white LED, no pressure. Small pressure, green LED. More pressure, red LED. No pressure, white LED is on. And now I am connecting between junction point of sensor and 10 kilo ohm resistor. This point. Between this and ground, I am connecting one voltmeter. This red wire is junction point, and green wire, it is connected to ground of the multimeter. So I have kept a multimeter in 20 volts reading. I'll show you now. See, 200 volts range I have kept. Okay. Next, when no pressure is applied, it is showing 0.0 volts. Now I will apply a small pressure till green light LED glows. So it is showing 2.7 volts. So voltage is increasing. With more pressure, red LED is on, the voltage is further increased. No pressure, 0 voltage. Medium pressure, small voltage. High pressure, high voltage. Arduino Uno board, force or pressure sensor, and this senses the applied force and outputs the corresponding voltage level to the Arduino Uno board, and the microcontroller, it processes the sensor reading and controls the LEDs. And here I have connected 10 kilo ohm resistor. It is used to form a voltage divider network with pressure sensor, and 3 LEDs I have used. White LED, it is connected to pin number 8, and green LED to pin number 9, and red LED to pin number 10. White LED, it indicates low pressure, green LED indicates medium pressure, and red LED indicates high pressure. And power supply I am using via the Arduino for powering the circuit. So this is all about the connection. between the pressure sensor and the Arduino Uno board. And this force or pressure sensor, it is connected to the Arduino in such a way that one end is connected to directly 5 volts supply pin on the Arduino Uno board. Other end is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor, which in turn connects to the ground, and the junction between sensor and the resistor, it is connected to A0 analog input pin on the Arduino Uno board. The Arduino continuously reads the analog value from the sensor, and it determines the pressure level based on the predefined threshold. Low pressure for every pressure it gives the voltage value, and the voltage correspond to the low sensor value, that is the white LED. When low pressure, white LED is turned on, and medium pressure, the voltage falls within the medium range. The voltage falls within the medium range and green LED turns on. And high pressure, the voltage corresponds to high sensor value, and it red LED turns on. Okay, so the Arduino code I will explain you later. So, and I have to convert the I have to upload the Arduino code to Arduino Uno board, and the Arduino code initializes the pins for LED, and it reads the sensor value, pressure value, and converts that analog value into voltage, and that the corresponding voltage will control the LED indicator based on the pressure thresholds. It also outputs the relevant data to the serial monitor. And this pressure project you can use in industrial automation to monitor the pressure in a manufacturing process, and you can use it in robotics, arms to prevent applying excessive force. And you can use this project in medical devices, implement in pressure sensitive application such as patient monitoring patient pressure in beds, and in that case also we can use this project. Now I have formed a voltage divider network between ground and 5 volts using this force or pressure sensor and 10 kilo ohm resistor. And first I should find out the voltage drop across 10 kilo ohm resistor. For that I am using the formula V out is equal to I into R. I is voltage divided by total resistance. What is the total voltage applied? 5 volts divided by total resistance is sum of the resistance of these two, 10 kilo ohm plus resistance of the sensor, force pressure sensor. Then as the force increases, the resistance of the sensor decreases. So if you apply more pressure, resistance of the sensor decreases. So harder the force, lower the resistance. When no pressure is applied to the force sensitive resistor, its resistance will be large. If you don't apply any pressure, the resistance will be very large. It is larger than 1 mega ohm. So this, if you understand this concept, then we can study how the pressure variation takes place and why these LEDs turns on. This code I have already given in the description box. You copy the code and paste it in Arduino IDE software. So here sensor pin is A0, and white LED is connected to pin number 8, 9 and 10, and all the pins you make as output pins, and read the sensor value using the analog read. And since it is analog value, we should convert it into digital value using the formula sensor value into 5. Why 5? Because we are using 5 volts supply from the Arduino, divided by 1023. 1023 is because 2 to the power of 10 bit ADC, 1023. And this value you print it on serial monitor. If the value is less than 341, it is low pressure. Turn on the white LED. And if the pressure is between 341, above 341 and below 682, and green LED will turn it on. and if it is not, if it is, if these two conditions are not satisfied, if it is above 682, then turn on red LED. So now I'll open this and I'll upload this code to Arduino Uno board. Before that, you select the board and a port. I have selected the board as Arduino Uno and port is COM12, to which my Arduino Uno board is connected. Now I'll hit the upload button. So it is right side, you can see here, done compiling, and it is uploaded. Uploading is done. Open the serial monitor, go to tools, open the serial monitor. So now it is displaying white LED is on and low pressure because I have not touched any sensor. Now I'll apply a small force on that. See, medium pressure and red LED, green LED is on. And you can see the sensor value also. And apply more pressure. Its value is more than 6. I gave one 682. So red LED is on. So I leave my hand. Again, white LED is on. And its value, sensor value is less than 341. In this way, you can check the values in serial monitor also.